Hey Math Aces! Welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to evaluate this expression with these given values. The first thing I'll do is I'll rewrite the expression that we were given. An extra step I like to take is to surround my variables with parentheses. Now that I have my variables clearly separated by those parentheses, I'm going to use substitution. Wherever I see the variable x, I'm going to put the number 6 because x equals 6. And wherever I see the variable y, I'm going to put the value 2 because y equals 2. So x is 6, so we'll write 6 here. In parentheses, y is an exponent and y equals 2, so I'll write that 2 there. We can put the parentheses, although we don't really need them for exponents. We'll put our plus sign, we'll put parentheses. Remember that y equals 2, so we'll put 2 here, close those parentheses, open these parentheses, and now we have x, and x equals 6. So I'll plug in 6 here, close parentheses, and we're all done. You can always double check to make sure you plugged in everything correctly. And when I say plug in, the mathy term for that is the word substitute. So we took the x out and put 6, which is good. We took the y out and put a 2, which is correct. We took this y out and put 2 in, that is correct. We took this x out and put 6, and that is correct. So all of our substitutions are correct and we're ready to go. Also, since we have an expression here that has just numbers and there are multiple operations to do, we're going to have to go back to using PEMDAS. The P stands for parentheses, but what they're referring to are parentheses with operations or work to do inside of them. There's no operations to do inside of any of our parentheses, so we're done with step 1. Step 2 is to evaluate any exponents we have. We do have an exponent here, 6 to the second power. And 6 to the second power means that we're going to take this 6 and multiply it by itself 2 times. And that means it's going to be 6 times 6, which equals 36. So I'll put that directly under this 6 to the second power. Next, we'll bring down whatever we haven't used. Remember, we've already used this 6 and this exponent of 2 to get 36, but we haven't used this plus sign yet, or this 2, or this 6. Do you see any more exponents for us to evaluate? Nope. So we're through with step 2. Then we'll move on to step 3, which is to multiply or divide from left to right. So we'll start from the left side of our expression and work our way over. Here, I see 2 times 6. And 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So I'll write that directly underneath. And bring down whatever we haven't used. Remember, we already used the 2 and the 6 to get 12. I haven't used this plus sign yet, and I haven't used this 36. Do you see any more multiplication or division to do in this new expression? Nope. So we're done with step 3 as well. And we'll move on to step 4, which is to add or subtract. What's 36 plus 12? Well, that's 48. So we'll write 48 here. And there's no more work to do, which means we're done with step 4. And that means our final answer is positive 48.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, Ace it.